Greetings, I still remain Akajiugo. Today, I'll be talking about why we have failed chi ritual or chi feeding. Before I continue, please, if you are yet to follow me, please follow me. Invite, share. One of the reasons and cause of failed chi feeding is caused by uke. Uke is a negative energy, a powerful negative spirit that can obstruct a ritual, any ritual at all, any feeding at all, any sacrifice at all an individual want to perform. If uke is in your life, you are possessed by spirit of uke. There's no positive ritual that you make that will be a success. When you want to perform any sacrifice, it's important you go for consultation to know if uke is tormenting you. If uke is tormenting you, a deep-rooted DB will perform what they call aja uke for you to ward off uke out of your life. Secondly, another thing that can cause this is uchu. Uchu no rapu. Uchu means a spiritual death. When you are dead spiritually, it can obstruct any ritual or any sacrifice you make. It can dim the lights of any sacrifice you make, for that light not to shine upon you. So when you go for Alpha and they tell you have Ochu, they have different kind of Ochu. They have Ochu that you can only ward off out of your life with just alligator pepper. While some need a deep, powerful Ochu herbs and fortified medicine to ward it out of your life. So you know the kind of Ochu that is in your life and know how to go about it. Another reason is caused by if your hands are stained with blood. If your hands are stained with blood, maybe you've supported abortion before or you've partaken in abortion before, there's no sacrifice that you offer to any positive forces, your chi, your ancestor, or any other force that will accept it, especially the mariners. They hate blood. So if you've partaked in something like this before, go for Ekpualo. Go and perform Ekpualo ritual for you to be clean and go and appease aquarium. Another reason why we have failed chi feeding, it's advisable that before you offer any sacrifice to any energy, any of your forces, you stay away from sex at least 4 to 7 days. Abstain from sex for you to be clean. You can't have sex today, tomorrow you go and you call on your chi and want to feed your chi. It's another reason where we have failed chi feeding is people don't feed their muscle chi together with their chi. After feeding your chi, you are supposed to feed your muscle chi, your ikenga chi. Your muscle chi is your ancestral deity, where the family, if you reincarnate from your father's side, definitely your muscle chi is from your father's lineage. If you reincarnate from your mother's side, definitely your muscle chi is from your ukunne. So if you feed your chi, you go to your muscle chi altar, the shrine, and go and offer to him or her. But if the muscle chi altar is no longer there, call the muscle chi from Anyanwu and offer to that spirit or that energy, because it's from your muscle chi your chi draws strength from. O muscle chi gi na-enye chi gi ike, ihe o ji akpụ ike. Onya bụ ike nga chi gi. Without your muscle chi, your chi cannot function properly. It is your muscle chi that energizes your chi. So this is another reason why we have failed chi ritual or incomplete chi feeding. People, after feeding their chi, they think it ends there. After feeding your chi, you're supposed to commune with your chi and your other forces every morning. You perform what we call Igo or Tutu. It helps to also energize your chi. You can't just feed your chi and leave it like that. No. You perform Igo occasionally, every morning. It also helps to energize your chi. And also, when you wake up in the morning, perform early morning cleansing. Before you feed your chi, make sure you go for Alpha to know if there's anything that will obstruct your chi feeding. Check Alpha if there's Uke in your life, if there's Uchu, if there's Oraku, if there's Akajiugo, if there's blood stain in your hands, if there's anything your fathers or your forefathers committed, if you need to perform a Puado ritual, if you need to appease any deity that is angry with you, these are things you're supposed to check before feeding your chi or feeding any other forces. This is the reason why a lot of people don't see light or progress after offering any sacrifices to their chi or any other forces. I think I'll stop here now. I think this video will have a part 2. I still remain Akajiugo. Please, if you are yet to follow, please follow me. Invite and share. Thank you.